So filming in the lounge today because my brother is in the room where I usually film and he is ill. So I don't really want to force him to leave where he's comfortable. But in this room we have some pretty good stuff. Got the guitars, the sofa, piano, more guitars, Christmas tree, and more guitars again. And my ukulele. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Let's get on with it. Hello. So, yeah, I am filming in a different room today because Alex has a cold and I don't really want to make him move if he's feeling a bit under the weather. So I decided to film the introduction here because I just want to get this video done as quickly as possible. I actually filmed it like 2 weeks ago, so that's why I kind of want to get it done and then put it on YouTube. So in this video I'm going back to that picture that I was doing a couple of months ago. Yeah, that looks great, doesn't it? The picture I was doing a couple of months ago where I would try to draw the entire team. And I'm doing the second row this time. And in this row there are a few more people in there. We're in the front row that I drew in October. So I'm sorry that this video is going to be so long. But hopefully it's going to be okay. I did lose a lot of footage when I was drawing the red part of the jerseys because my computer crashed again, but the rest of the video is all there, so let's... Okay, so last time I did a video on this, which was 2 months ago. I probably should have worked on it since then, but never mind, here we are. I did the front row. Now I think I'm going to do these in 8, but I'm not sure, so we'll just go for as long as we can. And then I'll see how long the video is. I don't want to make it too long, but the last one is pretty short, so it should be fine. If my voice is sounding a bit tired, it's because I've been teaching the school's ukulele club. Being a sixth former has gotten me promoted to an instructor, and I've been singing really loudly for like an hour and 20 minutes, so yeah. Yeah, see how this goes. So we should be doing Sean Bentivoglio, Guillaume Doucet, Luke Piggott, Chris Culligan, Scott Hotham, Andrew Hotham. How many is it that? That is 6. Mark Lewis and Josh Batch. Maybe more.
Kylie arall yn oed ei bwriad Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Onni dod-i-ro, lanciau'r pentre Fodi-rodi-ro-di-ro. Am ddiod i sydd fan y pentre Fodi-rodi-ro. Un berchet tan sydd yn dal I drio Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Gwisgo lasys sydd yn ac yn bincio Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Ond ag o bran yn rhywle Fodi-rodi-ro. Nid oes neb I lwysio fan y pentre Fodi-rodi-ro-ro.
I decided I'm just going to do the whole back row rather than just do everything with 8 people because it worked last time. So we've also got David, Brine and Gleason Fournier on the end there. And now I'm just going to do the jerseys and the beards and the hair and stuff.
Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Mynd i'r llan mae pawb o'i hingariadon Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Bita jyst newydd adren daled Fodi-rodi-ro. Cyn briod y fflys y bach yr hendre Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. A naeth I ffair y bala Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Gweld siwm Chris yn bachgen digon smala Fodi-rodi-ro-ro. Gair a ddywediodd yn fynd adre Fodi-rodi-ro.
Okay, so my computer just decided not to work when I was uploading footage to it, so I've lost basically I think all of the jersey colouring in on the back row. I'm not quite sure. I've lost a lot of it. So yeah, I'm incredibly annoyed. But one must go on, and there's nothing I can do about it. So I just finished drawing the back row. So the back row is made of Bentivoglio, Guillaume Doucet, Piggott, Chris Culligan, Scott Hotham, Andrew Hotham, Mark Lewis, Josh Batch, David Brine, and Gleason Fournier. And this line is a bit, you can see the jokes developing already here. I wanted to make this slightly comedic. I don't know if I mentioned in my last video, but even if you haven't seen that, you would need to know it. So we've got the two Hotham brothers doing the bunny ears on each other. And then David Brine is reading a book on 101 things to do in Wales. Like, the camera won't focus there. I was going to do a bit more with that line, but I decided not to, because I didn't want to make it too busy. So that is what we have already. Hopefully the likeness is there.